just one day. It begins in the morning from a chocolate house. Then comes St. James Park, and after the park comes Lady Wishfort's house, and in the evening everything is done. So it's in a single span of day that the entire play is happening. And what happens in the chocolate house? Now in the chocolate house, through the dialogues of various characters, we gradually come to know about who is having an affair with who wants who has what plan, so that we start to gauge in the beginning itself. So in the chocolate house, in conversation are Mr. Fenol and Mirabel in the first scene, and in that Mirabel tells Mr. Fenol how much he has begun to love Millamant, and for her charms and for her flaws, and he likes her for what she is, and he tries to tell him that now his love for her is mature. It's not like how he used to love other women earlier. And then Mr. Fenol tells him, you should definitely get married to this person if you love her so much. Then Mirabel tells her auntie doesn't like me. Then Mr. Fenol says, it is your mistake, the auntie doesn't like you, because there is a history to it. Yesterday something happened in Lady Wishfort's house, and that we come to know through the dialogues only. We come to know that in yesterday in Lady Wishfort's house there was a house party from which Mirabel was asked to leave. And you know why? Because in order to impress the auntie for getting married to the niece Millamant, Mirabel went a step ahead and he started impressing the auntie for auntie. I mean, he started courting Lady Wishfort herself, and Lady Wishfort was also under the impression that Mirabel is courting me. And then her friend Mrs. Marwood tells her that lady, he is not courting you, he is actually courting your niece. And that's when Lady Wishfort got offended, and now she wants to insult Mirabel back somehow. So she just asked him to leave from the party. And now Mirabel can't ask her for Millamant's hand, because if Millamant marries against the wish of Lady Wishfort, then she stands to lose all her property, and Mirabel can't have Millamant without the property. He loves Millamant, but he also wants her 6,000 pounds. So now Mr. Fenol tells her that it's your mistake, you tried over impressing the auntie and now the auntie doesn't like you. So Mirabel still says that it is not my mistake, that Mrs. Marwood's mistake it is, because she went and she told Lady Wishfort. So he still does not accept it, and then a messenger arrives to tell Mirabel that that secret marriage has happened today in the morning. Now the secret marriage is very important, we'll come to know soon. And then the messenger tells him that the suit that he asked for Waitwell is prepared. Now the suit for Waitwell, the secret marriage ceremony, these are two important things. We will soon come to know what they are about. And then another messenger arrives, and then we come to know there are other people also sitting in the chocolate house. There is Whitwood sitting, there is Petulant sitting. So Whitwood is another nephew of Lady Wishfort. He is a cousin of Millamant, and he is also interested in Millamant. And Petulant is another in their friend circle. And the messenger arrives for Whitwood and tells him that his half-brother, Sir Wilful, is coming from the countryside today to Lady Wishfort's house to meet her before he leaves for his travels to Europe. So in the scene we come to know that Whitwood is not very keen on meeting his brother,